Alright folks, over here at Delacroix, there's a rabbit over there on the land. And this clump of trees you see here, that's my trailer. Now we gotta get it out of there some kind of way. Yeah, that's my trailer right there in the trees. We're gonna cut all the grass out to get it out of there. I don't know if y'all can see that rabbit over there. Only one rabbit though. There's another one over there. Another rabbit. Did I mention that the water's low, folks? Hope we can get out of here. You want to swim around the bayou, huh? They got more alligators in here. They got in Delacroix, I think. That's about the third one I've done seen up in here. For sale. All right. Anybody looking to buy some land across the canal? I think you can see a lot of land for sale down here if the fishing keeps going the way it is and the water keeps getting messed up. There's a lot of camps for sale now, up and down here. Alright folks, that is a drop off. It goes from 3 feet to 18 feet. Alright folks, we're in Little Lake. Like I said, when you come out of the bayou until you take a left, you see this platform right here. Right here. What I do about a 45, maybe 30-degree angle. See that high bump over there, that high tree? It'll be about 100 yards to the left of that. See where the land ends at right there. And that's the north-south pipeline. It takes you right on down to Oak Road. Just got the dudes that Lionel Serenades Marina has been sold. Goes to effect 7/21/26. I talked to Miss Jones this morning. He's going to take over 7/21/26. Serenades has been sold. This is the North Pipeline, folks. Straight shot all the way to Oak River. Alright folks, first one of the day right there. Whoop. That's around there. There it is, folks. That's number 3. Pretty. Pretty. Alright, folks. That's number 4 for me, folks. Right there. Whoa. Come on, baby. Get up here. Alright, folks. That's a 10-footer right there. And we're right in his home. He lives on this side. We ran him out. There's his girlfriend right there. We ran him out too, her out too. That's 2 biggies, folks. That's the big alligators, man. Alright, folks, that's what you look for. See that crab swimming with the tide right there? Tide's coming in. Perfect. Them fish ought to be turned on here. Alright, folks, got a striped bass here to add to the tally.
Kitty cat.
Catfish, doing good, bud. Alright folks, combination top. And that breeze is coming right to my face. As you can see the little ripples coming this way. Right at me. I'm cool. I am cool. It's actually 9:35. We're doing good. Bringing the Bay Flat Senior in and have it serviced. Might stop at the car wash and wash this thing. Can't hurt it.